Why is everyone talking about yellow sweet clover, its benefits and uses? Watch the video to the end to understand the plant before trying any remedies. Did you know that this simple yellow plant can help improve circulation, reduce swelling, and help you relax naturally? Welcome to NaturaBloom. Today we're learning about yellow sweet clover, also known as Melilotus officinalis. This plant has been used for centuries in traditional herbal medicine. Benefits. First, it supports circulation. It helps improve blood flow and is often used to relieve heavy or tired legs. Second, it has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce swelling, bruising, and joint pain. Third, it has a mild calming effect. It can help reduce stress and promote better sleep. Finally, it supports lymphatic drainage. It helps the body get rid of excess fluid and reduce bloating. Caution. However, this plant contains natural compounds called coumarins. Therefore, it should be used in moderation. Avoid high doses if you are taking blood thinners and be cautious during pregnancy. In the following videos, I will show you 4 simple and effective natural remedies using sweet yellow clover. Follow the NaturaBloom channel and watch the playlist to discover all the remedies.